Hi, in this tutorial, I will solve question number 3 from chapter 2 using Stata. Let's open up the Stata. So on the screen, you should be able to see the software Stata open. So we need, first step we need to do is to infile the data. So there are 25 observations. One way is to do like we did in the previous tutorials, is to open up the data editor and enter variables 2 7 times, 3 8 times, 5 6 times, and 8 4 times. So that's one way. Alternative way would be to use the following command. So let's review the command. So I will set up the space for 25 observations, and I will generate x, I will call that variable x, to be 2 when the position runs from 1 to 7 included. So that will generate 7 2s in my data set, and then I will replace x by 3 when the position runs from 8 to 15, and that will generate 8 observations of number 3. And then I will do replace x by 5 again when the position runs 16 to 21. That will give me additional 6 data points with the variable x equal 5. And finally, I will replace x by 8 when the positions runs on 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and 25th. That will give me additional 8 observations. Okay, so let's run the program. So I run the program. Let's open the data editor and see how our data looks like. So this is what I basically instructed Stata to do. So on the positions running from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, I placed 2s because there are 7 people who cover 2 miles. And then I have 8 people running, covering 3 miles. That are positions 8 to 15 including. Then I have 6 people covering 5 miles. That would be positions from 16 to 21 included. And finally, I have 4 people running 8 miles. So that's basically my data. So in order to see what data I have, I can use the command tabulate. So that gives me values of x running from 2, 3, 5, and 8, and frequencies are 7, 8, 6, and 4 as originally intended. And the table also gives me the percentiles of x taking values 2, 3, 5, and 8, and it gives also the cumulative percentile. So now we need to find out the mean of x. So what we command which does the trick here is summarize x. Okay, so I missed to a 1m. So that basically gives a number of observations. What's the mean value? What's the standard deviation, sample standard deviation? What's the minimum distance and what's the maximum distance? And if I want all higher moments, then additionally I need to add here detail, and that gives me the percentiles. So median distance is 3, 75 percentile is 5, 25 percentile is 2, and on the right hand side I have mean 4 miles, standard deviation, variance, skewness, and kurtosis. So that basically concludes the tutorial. I hope it helps. Thank you very much for your attention.